Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since we last uploaded a tech exploring video. The last time we talked about building mobile apps using Expo React Native, and that was way back last year. So, to kick off our very first video of the year, we're diving into an exciting topic around front-end web development. This time, we're going to create a React.js project together. But not just that, we'll also compare to popular ways to get started, using Create React App CRA and using Vite. So, which one is more worth it? Let's dive in. In our previous videos, we talked about using Expo React Native for mobile apps. Now, let's shift focus to its older sibling, React.js. Even though their names sound similar, React Native and React.js have very different purposes. Both were developed by Meta, previously known mostly for the social media platform Facebook. React Native is made for building mobile apps for both Android and iOS, while React.js is tailored for building web applications that you access through a browser on a laptop, desktop, tablet, phone, anything with a browser. So, when it comes to starting a React.js project, we actually have two popular options. The first is using Create React App CRA. And the second is using a build tool called Vite. Alright, let's jump right into the first method, using Create React App CRA. First, open your terminal. Here I'm using Windows Command Prompt. Make sure Node.js is already installed. Type Node v. Then type npx create react app react _ pake _ CRA and hit enter. Follow the installation process, press Y if prompted. Once done, navigate to the project folder, cd react_pake_CRA. Running the project by typing npm start. The project will automatically launch in your browser and show the default React.js homepage. Pretty easy, right? Alright, that was how to start a React.js project using CRA. Now, let's try the second method, creating a React project using Vite. Let's go back to the terminal. Type npm create Vite at latest React_pake_Vite, then hit enter. Press Y and hit enter again. Select the React framework, then press enter. Choose JavaScript for now. Okay, the project has been created. Now go into the project folder. Then, as instructed, type npm install and wait for the process to complete. Alright, looks like the initialization process is faster compared to CRA. Let's run the project. Type in pm run dev. Unlike CRA, Vite won't auto-launch the browser, so you need to open it manually, and go to http://localhost:5173/ And yup, this is what the initial React.js project looks like when built with Vite. Alright, as a comparison, let's now draw a few conclusions from the two methods we just tried. Initialization time. Vite is much faster. With CRA, the entire setup process takes nearly 7 minutes from initialization to having the project displayed in the browser. On the other hand, with Vite, it only takes about 2 minutes, making Vite the clear winner in terms of speed. File size. Vite projects are smaller. When it comes to storage usage, a CRA project typically consumes around 100 to 300 megabits right from the start. Meanwhile, Vite only takes about 60 to 70 megabits, making it much more lightweight and efficient. Auto-open browser. CRA does it automatically, Vite doesn't. In terms of automatically launching the browser on the first run, CRA has the advantage it opens the browser and navigates directly to your project. Vite, however, requires you to manually open the browser and enter the local URL. So overall, if you're looking for a fast and lightweight setup, Vite could be your go-to choice. How about you guys? What's your preferred setup, CRA or Vite? Let us know your experience in the comments. If you have any requests for topics or tech content you want us to explore, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments too. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to support the channel's growth, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech dives. That's it for today. See you in the next content.